Want to learn how to create a wood log and engrave it with your favorite photos using the Procreate app? Look no further. In this tutorial, I'm gonna share with you how easy it is to do that. Hello there, Stephanie here from My Prints Collection, the place where I share with you the best ways to use the Procreate app so that you can make money online. This is the final tutorial of the texture series Wood Edition for Procreate. In the previous tutorials, I've shared how to create a wood pattern using a wood seamless pattern using the Procreate app. We've used that pattern to create a Wood Procreate Brush, and from there we've created an engraved wood effect. And now in this tutorial we are gonna learn how to create a wood log, and we will learn how to engrave it with your favorite photo. If you haven't and would like to watch the previous tutorials of this series or grab the wood brush or pattern, the links to access it will be in the description below. Let's create a wood log and engrave it with your favorite photo using the Procreate app.
I am going to open the Procreate app. I'm using a screen size Canva, and we are going to start with using the technical pen. It's a brush, default brush from the Procreate app. I'm going to select my first color, which is this one. The values are 1B1A16. I'm going to draw a circle, wait until it makes a perfect circle, and 2 fingers to make the perfect circle. Tap, hold, and drag. Increase the size of your circle, center it, and now we are gonna duplicate this layer and select our second color. The values for this color are 5A2F1B. I'm gonna tap, hold, and drag. I'm gonna select this, decrease just a little bit, and center it. Now I'm gonna duplicate this layer and select my third color. The values for this color are C08148. So I'm gonna tap, hold, and drag, select, decrease this a little bit, and I'm gonna center it like this, and perfect. Now on a new layer, I'm gonna create a new layer, add a new, and click on clipping mask. And we are gonna select my fourth color. The values for this color are E6C183. I'm gonna use the brush and paint over this. Perfect. And now what I'm gonna do is merge these 3 layers like this. On top of this layer, I'm gonna add a new layer, and with this color selected, I'm gonna use the technical brush again. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a circle again, hold, tap, and now I'm gonna adjust this. I'm gonna increase and place it like this. I'm gonna duplicate this layer, decrease a little bit, place it like this, repeat the process. It doesn't have to be even. Okay. And I'm gonna keep doing this until I fill my log entirely. Now that I have all my layers, I'm gonna just fill this one out, and I'm gonna merge all the layers that we've created into one layer like this. We are gonna go to the layer and change its mode to luminosity, and we can decrease this a little bit, the opacity to 80%. So now I'm gonna click on my adjustments. I'm gonna click on glitch, select waves, increase it to 100%. Amplitude, I'm gonna do just a little bit, let's say 2%. And frequency, we are gonna play with this, and we are gonna add around 50%, 45%. And now what I want to do is create a little bit of effect around here. So I'm gonna go to this layer over here. I'm gonna select the liquidify tool. I'm gonna use the twirl left, size 57, pressure max, and just twirl a little bit like this to give it a little bit of a more realistic effect. Like this. I'm gonna go to this layer, adjust it a little bit. Okay, now that I'm happy with my log, I'm gonna import a photo. You can use any photo that you want. I've used a photo from Unsplash. So I'm gonna activate that photo, select it, and I wanna remove the background. To do so, I'm gonna click on my selection tool and select automatic and click here on the background, and I'm just gonna swipe to make sure that it selects the majority of the dog. Okay, so I'm happy with this. 3 fingers swipe down and we are gonna click cut. I'm gonna resize my dog like this, put it here, and now I'm gonna click on adjustments, saturation, and I'm gonna decrease the saturation all the way down. And here I need to clean this a little bit, so I'm gonna select the eraser tool and erase this bit over here. So now that I have my dog centered, what I'm gonna do is duplicate this layer, and I'm gonna change its mode to hard light like this and decrease the opacity to around 78% like this. And we are gonna go to our second layer, adjust it to soft light like this one, and you can now adjust the opacity as you please. I'm gonna change it to around 40% like this, and there you go. We've quickly created a log and added a photo to kind of create an engraved wood log.
And we are done. We have just created a wood log and we've engraved it with your favorite photo using the Procreate app. And this is the end of the texture series Wood Edition for Procreate. Together we've learned how to create a wood seamless pattern from scratch, how to create a wood Procreate brush, how to use gradient maps to add some color to a wood texture, how to create an engraved wood text effect, and finally we've created a wood log and learned how to engrave your favorite photo using the Procreate app. If you like seamless wood brushes, make sure to check out my full Wood Procreate Brush set or grab a sample of this set. A link to access it will be in the description below. Question: did you see all the tutorials of this series? If you did, let me know in the comments below which part was your favorite. And with this video, we have completed the texture series Wood Edition for Procreate. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next tutorial, happy drills and illustrations.